Hey guys, so I want to give a real life case study to InstantlyClaw. Now, over the past few months, we've been doing a lot of work with another company I work with called Rewired. We're about to launch a new neuroscience app. We've been doing a lot of outreach and we're going to be working with lots of football clubs and sports associations around the world. And we need to do some outreach on LinkedIn. Now, I originally started doing this using Perplexity Comet and using the built-in assistant with Perplexity Comet. And then what I did last week, I moved over to Computer on Perplexity, which is an agentic agent as well, which is hooked up to 19 different agents in here. And you can see this is what I did. And I ran this over 4 days last week. The usage was 4,400 credits that I used. Now, what that is about $44. So it cost me around $44 at 4,400 credits to do this task, and it ran for 1 hour and 10 minutes. It was running for around 15-20 minutes per night. I'd kick it off before I went to sleep and see what it came back with in the morning. Now, I've got this task of everything it does. As you go through here, you see what it came up with at the end of this. Just export that quickly, and you'll see the final document where it gave us. You see, this is summary. So we got 1,500 leads based on the criteria I gave it. It went away and did all of this for me. I didn't do any of this. It gives me the list of the UK leads, the UK leads. It gives me the LinkedIn URL, and it gave me message templates of what to send to people and stuff like that. So it was pretty great. And like I said, 1,500 leads for around $44. Pretty good. So let's just go back now into InstantlyClaw. And I quickly just had a look at, just logged into here to set up a new agent. I clicked in new agent. I'm going to do Eric the Soccer King. I put in my objective here. What I did, I asked Perplexity to give me the exact agents to put into InstantlyClaw to replicate what it was doing itself. And I asked it to give me the objective to go into there. So rather than me sitting there trying to type all that out, I've used the AI I was already using to give me the objective to go into here. Now I filled all this out, so I'll quickly just flick through it. I'm going to use the standard API included. I'm not going to set this up just yet. I'll do that tomorrow. I just want to kick this off today. So now I've selected 16 of the skills that were there, which was identified in my Perplexity query. And now I'm going to provision the agent. So I'll come back once this is provisioned, and then we'll set it off and we'll run it and see what the actual results are like using InstantlyClaw. So it only took a few moments for it to actually activate the new agent. And then what I did, I clicked on the view agent, and just in case I needed it, I clicked the copy the token. After I did that, it opened up a new tab, which has got our agent in here. Now, what I did quickly, I went back to my original Perplexity computer, which is here, and I've just quickly took a few moments to actually copy and paste the exact same commands and steps that I fed to Perplexity computer. So let's just see what actually happens if we give it the same instructions here, and let's see how we go.
A few moments later.
So as expected, I've popped back in. It's really busy working away in the background. It's come up with a really great automation outreach plan. Quite a lot of tasks and stuff to do in here. It's going to create a multi-phase system. Let me start with creating a foundational structure, in club databases, start structure. So it's cracking away doing stuff. What I'm going to do is 6 p.m. here. I need to go and check on my daughter. What I'll do, we'll check back tomorrow. We'll see what we've actually built using InstantlyClaw. Okay, make sure to check the video tomorrow.